How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, and I'm going to talk about a stock that I love talking about. It's got a lot of hype. It had a big move up, and the ticker is TTOO. But I want to show you exactly how I catch the most precise tops and the most precise bottoms in the stock market, and teach you guys this tactic to help you in your own trading career. All right, so without further ado, let's get back to the chart here. So we're going to look at the daily chart to get the best analysis and to get really accurate price points because daily gives you a nice standard of what's going on here. So as you can see, I have this red line up here. These are the Keltner channels. Um, I did draw a big major support line just from using TA there, but this red line here is your sell zone. This green line here, as you can see, is your buy zone. These are called your Keltner channels. I have put some settings on where it works perfect for pretty much all the stocks that you can ever think of. And then I also have a KDJ and an RSI. KDJ is very important. Lower the K on the KDJ, the better the buy signal is and the more buyers going to come in. Okay, so here's what we see. I alerted this last time when the price got under this bands. You can accumulate your buys, and sure enough, price went back up to this blue line, which is your EMA 20, and this is where price will magnet to it. As you can see, when price gets kind of far, it wants to come back up to this blue line. Will it pierce it like this and go all the way up to this red line? We don't know. We just know that price is going to come to this blue line and always magnet to it. So price got here, bam, 100% profit you can get if you got it right at this buy zone. Now, if you held it, realistically, you probably want to have held it through all of this and got it at the very top. That's just not realistic. That's just using hindsight. So the buys get right here. Here's your first buy, and then we got a lot of sells. If you're holding the shares and you're like, I don't know when to sell, well, here is a good sell point when it gets close to the red line. Even better, so it gets close. It actually extends it. Very good shorting opportunity right here, and then it goes down a lot as it has to because the price can't sustain that kind of upward movement. Just like this one, it goes all the way down. But at least with this sell signal, it goes all the way down to the lowest here. So now, since we're not in the buy zone, I would personally say wait for this buy zone because this is your best risk versus reward instead of buying random candles in here like every YouTuber says to do. But using some basic TA, the rally really started with this big candle right here. So if you look at the low end of this rally and then the low end of where we're at right now, I think this is looking actually really good too. So at least that this support held exactly to where I wanted it to. You could easily get a rally to this blue line and hopefully to this red line right here at 52 cents right now. But these are going to fluctuate. So just remember, try to get it at the buy zone. If you're not in right now, I would wait for this. But if you are in, at least this line held, and then you can get some upside potential. And if you're in the green when it hits this line, I would just call it a day, get some profit, and then wait for the buy zone, like the rest of my people I tell to do. Because this penny stocks are really hard because they're very volatile, and you want to make sure you get the most precise price action. If you enjoyed this, feel free to check out the free Discord. I have the trade alerts, the watch list we go over, and then the setup video is your most important. You're going to watch this to get all the indicators, and I teach how to exactly use all of them like you see on my chart. So this is the free Discord. So you can just join in. You don't have to pay anything yet because everything, I just want to lay this out as we grow more. A lot of people can find plays like this, and it's just nice to have that community. But yeah, this is awesome. I back tested it. This really does work. You just got to be patient and just not get into, random things here. You got to be really patient, and then make sure you use the K on the KDJ. Lower the number. I prefer less than 10 at least. For penny stocks, less than 4. But if you enjoyed the video, feel free to join the free Discord. I will alert the most highest conviction trades that have a high probability of winning, and if you're good at accumulation and do exactly what I say, you'll be green and win a lot of money. I look forward to the next video. Like and subscribe. I'll put the Discord in the link in the bio and in the chat of the YouTube. Take care, guys.